I've practically done Mumbai to Lonavala in just 100 rupees. What? Let me set the trip A to 0. My fuel tank is full and all my batteries are full, so I'm good to go. Great start to the day. Sunday morning. Another day and another ride.
Let's go.
Oof. The weather is nice and cool. Feels nice. Very nice. A very dark start to the day. You can guess what I'm riding right now. It's a very nice, fun little machine. A legendary, of course. It's nice and foggy. I genuinely hope this is only fog and not dust or smoke. It won't be smoke, but wow, it's too much, dude. Wow. क्यों जा रहा हूँ मैं लोनावला? By the way, I'm going to Lonavala. What? Suspension is very nice on this one. I imagined a lot of roller coaster-ish feeling, but no. क्या बात है यार? I, by the way, am riding to Lonavala and मेरे को तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं लग रही है. Look at this. It's already nice and foggy. Beautiful scenic. ये कौन सी रिवियर आ रही है भाई इधर? अच्छा क्रेटा. Of course, upper dipper मार रहा है मतलब क्रेटा ही होगा. Sorry guys.
Hello there.
Hello.
Okay, we are now on the highway and I'm already very hungry. I've not had anything since morning. I'm gonna take it easy, keep a 50, keep a constant 50, because this ride is all about taking it easy. This today is what? Oh god. Today is 22nd of December, and it is almost the end of the year. I thought, why not go on a ride just to finish the year off just with a celebration. And I thought, why not spice things up a little? Why not, instead of taking a usual ride, which is obviously a lot of fun, why not different this time, yeah? So far though, I'm enjoying it. The amount of so much less hassle, so much less weight to handle. Everything is just so simple, so nice. So I'm just gonna take it easy for this ride and you know, soak things up into my soul. The weather is beautiful. It's nice and foggy. People are on their morning runs and I'm here without burning any calories. Well, how many steps have I done so far? I've done 214 steps so far. So that's a new personal record set for the day. And today is a Sunday, so I'll meet a few riders as well on the way. And I'm very sure, very sure no one is gonna recognize me with this. I mean, my gear is the same, but the bike isn't, so it's going to be quite interesting to see who recognizes me. And I'm giving myself a little too much credit that people will recognize, but let's see. We are 26 kilometers in so far, and man, this feels very nice for a change, dude. But I mean, of course, I'm gonna talk about the ride down the line as well. But first impressions, it's very smooth, and of course, भाई अपना Lord Splendor तो mileage के लिए तो जाना ही जाता है. मेरे को तो लग रहा है भाई, by the time I reach Lonavala, I'm gonna get more fuel. I'm kidding. Of course, but ना मेरे को गारंटी है कि अभी भी I can still be at full. इसका माइलेज निकाले क्या? You know, I've seen a few of those videos on the online कि भाई मतलब ऐसा full tank to full tank माइलेज निकालते हैं. माइलेज निकाले क्या? अरे इधर है पेट्रोल पंप. We've done what, 27 so far? हाँ, इसको 0 आउट कर दूंगा मैं. And यहाँ से we can, it's still showing full, but obviously I've consumed some fuel and full तो भाई 2 दिन से ही दिखा रहा है मेरे को. एक बार करते हैं ट्राई यार, फुल करके फिर लोनावला में वापस जाके फुल कर लेंगे. क्या बोलते हो भाई लोग? अपन भी बनाते हैं थोड़ा सा माइलेज वीडियो. हाँ, क्या बोलते पब्लिक है? नहीं नॉर्मल इधर ही है ना. पावर पेट्रोल का क्या करेंगे भाई? Actually, yeah, power petrol will also make a difference in the mileage, right? but mileage is not the thing that we are struggling with. Full kara. There's hardly any space left. थोड़ा सा तो लागेला. हाँ. बस. Fully full. There's only 131 rupees का petrol. 127. पुढे घेतो. Thank you. Alright, let's go. अभी there's no stopping. अभी सीधा जाके लोनावाला में अपन भरेंगे पेट्रोल. I hope this weather stays like this, man, forever. Feels so nice. Hi.
Hello.
So far I'm having like such less hassle on this machine, man. Just very little to do. You're nicely sitting upright. The engine is smooth. You're taking it easy, soaking up the scenery, and very little to hassle around. Even in traffic, you're easily squeezing through anything and everything. Feels nice for a change, dude. Like there's very little to worry over here. This, by the way, is the Super Splendor X-Tech 125. And when you have a Splendor in your name, you know it's going to be legendary. This is, by the way, a 125cc engine. As far as I know, it is a 5-speed gearbox. Wow, look at the sun. Amazing. Look at that. How nice. Can I stand on this bike? Yeah, I can easily saddle. Not for too long, because my hands are, I'll have to bend down to stretch my hands. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable as well. It has gotten slightly colder here. Just says college. It won't tell you what college. It's just college. Samajh jao. I don't know what were they trying to do. I thought I'll have my breakfast on the way, but right now I don't feel like stopping. It feels nice. So I may as well just go to Lonavala and have it there. क्या बोलते हैं भाई लोग? एक्सप्रेसवे पे चला जाएगा? भाई लॉर्ड स्प्लेंडर है अपने पास. I changed the batteries here, man. Hayabusa. Triple RS. A lot of triumphs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hi.
Hello. Man, it is also showing your real-time mileage as well, dude. Like right now it is showing 74 kilometers per liter. Of course, if I belt it, then it will start showing lower, but even now 74 is pretty nice, no? Hey, that looks familiar, that bike. Heavy vehicles keep left, which is exactly why I'm on the left, guys. अपन तो बहुत heavy driver है, अपन को left में ही रहना पड़ेगा. That also makes me realize that if you notice, if I calculate all the gear I'm wearing right now, my gear itself costs more than the bike. As hilarious as it may sound, it's actually true. Like my helmet itself is half the price. Forget even the cameras. Just this, my Cardo Packtalk Pro and the helmet, they both only cost as much as this bike. I mean, it's so cool that you can get to ride such a beautiful ride and not make a hole in your pocket. It's now that I'm realizing it, that all of my gear costs more than this bike.
Let's do this.
And despite all of that, how refined is this engine? There's hardly any vibrations anywhere. Even if I ride plus 60, 70-ish, there's very little vibrations, dude. सरसराते हुए जाती है भाई. But I'm pretty surprised or maybe concerned that the fuel hasn't gone down by even a single bar. It showed full in the morning and it's still full. भाई क्या माजरा है, क्या चल रहा है भाई? I mean, I know I'm taking it a little too easy, but I'm also belting it once in a while in between. भी घाट से शुरू होंगे, भी घाट शुरू होंगे. This is where I'll belt it, I won't hold back. घाट आते ही अपने अंदर एक आत्मा घुस जाती है भाई. तभी you don't blame me. तभी you just blame the घाट्स. Now come the घाट्स. भी ऐसा मजा आएगा ना भाई. Traffic. Look at it go. Such a smooth machine. I don't even need to change gears. I don't even need to lean. I'm just smoothly gliding. Well, I've made it to Lonavala. Man, I feel so badass riding the Splendor. Parking it here. You got me there. Huh? Yeah, Lord Splendor. Why not?
I met you, Marine guy.
Oh, the same guy. I don't know what joy these people get, man. How is it? Man, but it rides very well, huh?
Really much better and comfortable.
Yeah. It's super nice, very light. I've been having a lot of fun on this ghats.
When I saw you, I was thinking that you were Anurag, but I was confused because Splendor.
I thought for a change, and since this is the end of the year, ना, मुझे तो कुछ ऐसा अलग बनाते हैं कुछ. हाँ? अरे go for it.
Also sitting first.
Yeah, it's very comfortable, man.
Chai?
Yeah, we'll go. I also wanted to click a photo. I wanted to click a picture with all these 4 bikes and post it for people to guess which bike I'm riding. अभी डालेगा मैं इसको. बरं गेस कर यातली मी कुठली गाडी चालवतोय. कुठली स्प्लेंडर आहे ती. चलो थैंक यू भाई. नाइस टू मीट यू. ये Z4 टाइम भाई, इसका चार्म है, अभी भी है, कितनी भी पुरानी हो. चलो नाइस टू मीट यू. हाँ बिल्कुल. इस बार 2 बार टैग करना. चलो बाय बाय. अभी देखो कैसे पहुंचता हूँ 200 में. चलो सी यू.
भोला भाला था, सीधा सादा था मैं.
सेकंड में अभी देखो कैसे पहुंचता हूँ 200 में. फुल स्प्लेंडर. नाइस. सुपर बाइक्स में स्प्लेंडर का रैप करने का मजा ही कुछ और है. I need to fuel up, I just realized. And I also have to pee, man. My bladder is fully full. If that even makes sense. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया यार इधर. अभी बस टक से जाके ये करते हैं, रिफ्यूल करते एंड चेक करते कितना पेट्रोल खा लिया है आज. I had some coffee and I met a subscriber as well, so we had a nice chat and saw a lot of super bikes, a lot of guys wheeling as well here and there. 111.1. वाह क्या रीडिंग आई है भाई. As far as I remember, there's a petrol pump nearby. इधर ही कहीं पे तो था ना भाई पेट्रोल पंप. Maganlal Chikki. You know you're in Lonavala when you see Chikki and Wax Museum. You know what? I'll go use the washroom first and then refuel. Oh god. The bladder is fully full and somehow the washroom at the fuel pump wasn't working, so I thought I'll just go to the McDonald's and have my peeing break there.
Let's do this.
I'll quickly go pee and I'll also eat. After that I'll refuel. अपना पहले पेट पूजा फिर काम दूजा, है ना? चलो, I'll see you. Feel better now. I've had 2 breaks so far. Wasted a lot of time, but absolutely not for the bike, but for myself. भाई घूमते घूमते थक जाओगे, बट ये बाइक नहीं थकेगी ना, इसको पेट्रोल लगेगा. Surprisingly, I've ridden about 110-15 kilometers and still the fuel shows full. See, it's 114 kilometers so far and it is still showing full. Alright, let's go. I don't understand the point of refueling, but we karna padega to check how much mileage I've got. The crowd is also a lot lesser than before. The fuel is right here, dude. It's not even done with. भाई फुल करना है, बट थोड़ा सा लगेगा बस. हाँ, बस करो, डाल दो अंदर. Okay, this is almost to the brim and look at the price, 120. पुढे घेतो. That's crazy, dude. झाले आप? Thank you. I mean, it's mind-boggling that I've practically done Mumbai to Lonavala in just 100 rupees. What? Crazy, dude. That's, I mean, hero मानना पड़ेगा भाई. And you know, it's refreshing to see a motorcycle that is built purely for good mileage perform this well, especially when I'm coming from a motorcycle that literally guzzles fuel like there's no tomorrow. I mean, of course, that is for pleasure and this is for the utility, but even despite of that, it's so surprising to see it perform this good. It's very refreshing, and at the end of the day, I've had the same amount of fun. I've seen the same location, I've seen the same scenery, I've seen everything that everyone has regardless of the bike, and I'm still saving a lot of money. Now imagine, with a full tank, where will I be able to go? I can go all the way to Goa, dude, with this kind of a fuel mileage. So if you have this kind of an aspiration and money is what is limiting you, this proves the fact that there's no limits whatsoever. There's nothing that is stopping you. And at the end of the day, this is just pure guilt-free, hassle-free, expense-free travel. I mean, as good, as better as it gets. And that's what motorcycling is, right? This is what it's supposed to mean. People are not at all judgmental towards me. Even I in fact feel a lot badass to, you know, go park my bike in front of a Hayabusa. I genuinely hope this has an impact on the thinking of us riding enthusiasts, that what you ride generally doesn't matter. It is the ride that matters a lot. So with that, this probably is the end of the ride, and very much so is the end of the year as well. With that said, I hope you've had a beautiful year, and I hope that the coming year 2025 goes really well for you. All the best wishes to all of you, and please send some wishes back to me as well. अभी घर जाके बचे हुए पैसे से थोड़ा सा मस्त सा कुछ तो पनीर बिरयानी हो जाए, क्या बोलते हो भाई लोग, हैं? सेलिब्रेशन किया जाए बचे हुए पैसे से. मस्त एक संडे अपना है, मस्त एंजॉय करके छोड़ देंगे आज.
Bonus.
See you all very soon next year. ए वो जोक तो बनता है भाई. ए चल फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर मिलते हैं, नेक्स्ट ईयर.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.